UK mortgage crisis. I'm going to reveal everything you need to know. My name is Katie Wilson and I've been in property now for coming up for 7 years. And in that time, I have built a substantial property portfolio and established a national house buying business. I've now bought and sold hundreds of properties of all different types all over the UK. I work with thousands of investors all over the world and I live and breathe property. And today, I'm going to be sharing with you all about the mortgage crisis. With mortgages being pulled left, right and centre, we are at breaking point. The current mortgage crisis is forcing landlords to sell even the highest cash flowing properties. And in this video, I'm going to reveal what's really happening in the market. But before I tell you how you can avoid losing out and create opportunity, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. What's really happening in the market right now? And can you make money instead of losing it? So why is the Bank of England increasing interest rates yet again? They're trying to bring inflation under control. So they're trying to shock the economy. Now, the Bank of England's response to rising inflation has been to increase the UK's official interest rate in the belief that people are more likely to save money and less likely to borrow money. Now, the bank has increased the rate 12 times since December 2021, from 0.1% up to 4.5% that it is currently today. On Monday, the average rate for a 2-year fixed mortgage stood at 6.01%. The base rate is currently at 4.5%, which is set to be reviewed and is widely expected to increase for a 13th time in a row. Now, I don't have a crystal ball, but my prediction is that we will go up another 0.25% minimum, maybe even 0.5%, with a view that over the next 12 to 18 months, we will have yet another increase of another 0.25%. So what does this mean? It means landlords are already feeling the pinch. I say pinch, what I actually mean is a kick in the bollocks. With Section 24 pushing landlords into the higher tax bracket, this is going to have a huge impact on landlords. The cost of energy rising for those landlords paying for energy for their properties. This has probably just about wiped out any decent profit they would have made. And now we've got a mortgage crisis. With mortgage rates increasing, this is having a massive impact on landlords' profits. And as a result, landlords are now in negative cash flow. To add insult to injury, products are getting pulled left, right and centre, which means that landlords can't even refinance to get onto a better rate. So, what can we do to plan ahead and safeguard ourselves and our portfolios? Well, there's loads of things that you can do to reduce the impact of these changes for you as a landlord. The key is to spot in the opportunity. The opportunity is that there is going to be a mass exodus of landlords. It's going to separate the wheat from the chaff, so to speak. So what's happening in the market right now is that the lenders are offering cheaper rates on long-term products to try and get people fixed onto a higher rate longer term. For example, a 5-year fixed rate product will be cheaper than a 2-year fixed rate product right now, which will encourage landlords to opt for the cheaper option and secure themselves on a long-term rate. I believe in the long run this is going to cost landlords more. I personally believe that the short-term products are the way to go. Albeit more expensive right now by about 0.5%, choosing a short-term product, say a 2-year fixed product, is the better way to go. With a view that in 2 years' time, when you drop off your fixed term, hopefully interest rates will have reduced. Something to be conscious of though is the stress test for affordability. It's so high at the moment. However, I am not a financial advisor and I don't have a crystal ball. So take what I say with a pinch of salt and do your own research. So we've come to the end of the video and hopefully you've got more of an insight as to what's actually happening in the mortgage market right now, from someone who lives and breathes it day in, day out. I welcome any comments you may have. I do read them all, so please connect with me and make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. I've been Katie Wilson and I hope to meet you in person very, very soon.